everyone. All of you, please open your cameras.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's begin the class. Very
Bonjour,
nice.
madam.
Bonjour, Soham.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning. Please open your cameras. Hurry up so
Good
that
morning,
we can
ma'am.
begin the class. Good morning, beta. Only two children are present in my class, Soham and Simran. That's it. Because I cannot see anybody else.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. We were doing which chapter? Chapter number 1, Les Salutations. Right? So how much have we done? We've completed the chapter. We were on the exercises of the
Yes,
chapter.
ma'am.
Yes, we were on the exercises, right? Everybody open up page number 22.
Ma'am, I am not getting French
I'm
book.
having the book as it was not in the stock.
All right, it wasn't available.
Yes, ma'am. I am also not having. Ma'am,
Children, I provided you the PDF in the previous class also.
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it?
Ma'am, they give me 8th and 7th class book.
Oh. So 7th
And
class
the
book is
class book
7th.
is also
Listen, children, 7th class book is the same what we have in class 6. Show me your book.
Okay, ma'am.
In 8th, there is a different book, but in 7th, it's the same. And what about the PDF that I had shared with you all? I shared a PDF with you of this chapter,
morning,
isn't it? Good morning, beta. Have you not kept the PDF with you in your phones?
ma'am, I am having that.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Pratishta, beta, please share it once again on the class group so that everyone can have
Okay.
it. Till then, those who got their books, please open up page number 22. Yes, the first exercise is complete le dialogue. That means complete the dialogue. Now that
we have to do.
you have to do it in your book only. After doing it
I
in
am
the
not
book,
having.
yes, if after doing in the book, you can do in your copies, and those who do not have the book can directly do in the copy. Clear? The first exercise is complete the dialogue. Now, how we are going to complete the dialogue? First of all, whatever is written here in the dialogue in French, try to translate it in English so that it becomes easy for you when you write the French dialogues, when you complete the dialogue with French words. Is that clear? Hurry up and translate it in English.
Ma'am, I have sent the PDF of chapter 1.
You have sent the PDF. Okay, let me see. This is class 6B. Right? Okay. So here there are no exercises. I will send the exercises. Okay. The PDF is only about the chapter. Now let me click pictures of the exercises.
Ma'am, I have sent the PDF.
Better you have sent the PDF, but please check in that the exercises are not there. It is the PDF of the chapter only.
Ma'am, you have sent this only.
Yes, I sent this only. This is without the exercises given at the back of this chapter.
Bonjour, ma'am.
Bonjour. Exercises of chapter of lesson 1. Now, all of you check the class group. You have the exercises now. What you'll do is you will do this first exercise, complete the dialogue in your copies. Let me just read out. Okay, what is the translation of bonjour? What is A saying?
Good morning.
Good morning. Then B replied nothing. Then again, the dialogue of A is given. Je m'appelle dash et toi. What does that mean?
If Jamapel means I call myself.
And et toi?
My doing.
Et toi?
And
Anybody?
you, ma'am, and you.
And you. Very
Ma'am,
nice.
and you.
And you. Then again, dialogue B is blank. We have to put something ourselves. Then the last two dialogues, au revoir, au revoir. Okay. Now you have to complete this dialogue. 2 minutes for all of you to complete it. Okay. Then we'll discuss. Will you be able to do it? Good. I'm sure you will do it. There is nothing tough in it.
Ma'am, we have to write that what we say bonjour in English.
Better, it is no, you don't have to write that way in your copy. I was just telling you to write it in English so that it becomes easy for you to frame the dialogues that are to be framed. For your convenience, I said you to write it in English.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, first we have to write bonjour, then in front of bonjour we have to write good morning.
Better if you can do it directly in French, then don't write in English. I only told you to write it in English so that it becomes easy for you to frame dialogues. If you can directly do in French, well and good.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have written but both.
Okay, no problem.
Ma'am, in this subject we will learn how to write also French.
Yes, better. Written? Done the first question?
Ma'am, writing, please wait.
Okay.
Ma'am, I don't know the answer.
Okay. If suppose there are two people, A and B, and A is saying bonjour, what will B say in reply? If A is saying good morning, what will B reply?
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Of course, good morning will be replied by a good morning. Then, now A says, my name is dash and yours. Why does A say so? Why does A, no, I'm asking, why does A tell his name? Why would you tell your name to anybody like that? Would you ever tell without any reason? Only if a person would have asked you.
Because they don't know each other.
Beta, they don't know each other, but any person you find on the road, you go and keep telling him your name. Until and unless that person asks you, you don't tell your name, right? Only if a person asks you your name, then you say, my name is so and so. So let's presume here that A is telling his name because B must have asked him. Isn't it? In the first dialogue of B, now what is the reply by B? Bonjour, comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles means how do you call yourself? Okay, clear? See, B would have asked this question. That is why A is telling, no, je m'appelle and dash. My name is this. So write down on dialogue number 2, sorry, the B dialogue. Bonjour, comment tu t'appelles? Then A says, je m'appelle. Now let's put whose name? Let's put our name here. Okay? Everybody will put their own names. So I'm writing je m'appelle Neha, et toi? Now what do you want B to reply? What shall we name B? Yes? Any name? Any suggestion? Children, are you getting it or you're not understanding it? Tell me.
Please translate my name in French.
Yes? What?
Can you please translate my name in French?
Beta, I can't understand what you're saying. Pratishta, I didn't understand, beta.
Ma'am, he is asking how we translate name in French.
You can put it, and names don't change in French. In any language, name remain the same. You will be called Pratishta only in French. Okay. Now, when A says, je m'appelle Neha, et toi? So let's say B says, je m'appelle. I'm putting a name by my choice. Now it's up to you what name you put. I will write je m'appelle Manuel. Je m'appelle Manuel. Then A says to B. Now A is saying au revoir. Let's put the name after it. Au revoir, Manuel. Then B says au revoir, Neha. Now, I told you to translate this dialogue in English. See, now you will realize it would be easy if we would have translated it in English. I'll just speak these dialogues in English now. Good morning. Good morning. What's your name? My name is Neha, and yours? My name is Manuel. Bye, Manuel. Bye, Neha. Okay? Or you can also say au revoir, Manuel, put a comma, and then you can write Adama. Adama is see you tomorrow. Okay? Then coming on to the next dialogue. Okay, everyone has done it in the copies, completed this exercise. Yash Tikyani, Hamza, Lavanya, Malik Warsi, Shaurya, Ansh. I can't see you people.
Ma'am,
Atulya
what we
Sharma,
have to
Kush
write in
Singh.
A avoid?
Yes, au revoir. Au revoir means goodbye. Now, what he's saying, goodbye. See, if you meet somebody and you say bye, what will you say after bye? If two people are talking, then Yash might say bye, Atulya. And then Atulya will say,
Ma'am, salute.
yes.
Ma'am, salute.
Salyu is, beta, salyu is when you
Well,
meet.
hello.
Yes, salyu is hello. While departing, do you say hello? No, you say goodbye. Or you say see you tomorrow. See you after some
Ma'am,
time.
goodbye.
Yes,
Revoir.
yes, au revoir means goodbye. What is the meaning of au revoir? Goodbye. So when you say goodbye to somebody, what do you say? You either take his name, okay, bye, let's say bye Manraj, bye Pratishtha, like that. Or you say bye, see you tomorrow, bye, see you after some time, see you later, anything like that. So you can add on
What
anything.
we have to write in B and avoid.
Beta, anything of your choice. B will take now A's name. When he's saying bye, then what will B do? B will say bye to whom? To A, no? So what name we gave to A? A's name was our name. Jamapel, see in a dialogue, Jamapel dash. I told you to put your name in that. So now
Yes,
complete
ma'am.
the dialogue. It is nothing difficult here.
Ma'am, in first one we have to write this bonjour. Then next say bonjour, jamapel, bonjour, bonjour.
Bonjour.
What you?
The meaning is like what's your my name is this or this.
Yes. So why will you tell somebody your name? Only because that person would have asked you your name, right? So the first dialogue by B is bonjour, reply to the good morning, and then a question raised by B, what is your name? That is why A is replying, my name is so and so, and yours. Okay, clear to everyone? All
Ma'am,
right.
what is the meaning of AUREVOIR?
That means goodbye. Au revoir.
Excuse me, ma'am.
That means goodbye. Yes.
Ma'am, what we have to write in bonjour B part?
Bonjour B part. Bonjour B part, you have to write bonjour, the reply of dialogue A, and then you have to raise a question, comment tu t'appelles? How do you ask somebody his name? If it is informal way of asking somebody's name, you say comment tu t'appelles? And if you have to ask it formally, how do you ask? Comment vous appelez-vous? Isn't it? Comment vous appelez-vous? Now, how did I come to know that I have to ask it informally? Can anybody just make a guess from these dialogues? Why did I ask the name informally? It is hidden in the dialogue only. See, in the dialogue number 3, please number all the dialogues starting from A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are in all 6 dialogues, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, in the third dialogue, why did I ask comment tu t'appelles? Now, the answer is hidden in sentence number 3. Can anybody tell me? I have given you such a big hint. Why from sentence number 3 I came to know that I have to ask the name informally? How did I come to know?
Jamapel.
Ma'am, in the second, you told that you have to write first bonjour, then we have to write what's your name.
Yes.
We have to just ask the question.
No, but I asked the name in informal manner. दो तरीकों से नाम पूछते हैं, comment tu t'appelles and comment vous vous appelez, right? So why did I choose comment tu t'appelles only? I would have asked the name by raising a question, comment vous appelez-vous also. Why did I choose tu t'appelles? Tell me. Read dialogue number 3. Just read dialogue number 3, everybody.
What is your name?
Jamapel.
Jamapel. Okay,
Etwa.
let's say Jamapel Neha etwa. Now the word twa. The word twa has made me write the question in informal way. See, in the pages behind, in dialogue number, on page number 14, on page number 14, the dialogues that are given. There are two ways of giving. On the picture above, in the picture above, the conversation is done informally, right? So that is why it is between two friends, two boys. Je m'appelle Manuel et toi, comment tu t'appelles? And the dialogues below, it is given, comment vous vous appelez? Right? So vous is a informal, vous is a formal way, and tu t'appelles, toi is informal. I told you there are two ways, like Hindi. In Hindi also we talk in two ways. आप और तुम करके बात करते हैं, right? Right?
Yes,
Similarly, in
ma'am.
French it is the same. Now we can
Yes,
relate this.
Listen, ma'am, first chapter when it's the reading of the chapter.
Yes, salutation.
Yes, ma'am. There is written that. There is given.
Okay. So here now I asked comment tu t'appelles based on the dialogue number 3. That is why I did not write comment vous appelez-vous. Okay, because it is already written. Toi is written. If they would have written vous in place of toi, VOUS, then I would have raised my question as comment vous appelez-vous. Is that clear? Asfa Wasim, is it clear, beta? Clear? Okay. Now let's move on to the next exercise. Donner les mots français. Now what is les mots? LES and MOTS. MOTS stands for words. Give the French words. Donner les mots français. What is the French word for hello?
Salut.
Salut. Good. Everybody, what is the French word for hello?
Salut.
Salut.
Salut. Everybody open your cameras. Shaurya Solanki, Malik Warsi.
Ma'am, I can't open. I am opening the PDF, so camera can't be opened automatically.
Ma'am, I
word-
have done.
What is the word for good night? Manraj. How do you say good night?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Atulya can do split screen so that the camera will be also on the PDF. And he can
And I
also
can tell what we say good night.
ma'am, can I tell?
Why isn't Manraj answering? Manraj beta, what is good night? Bon nuit. What is good night? Isn't it bon
Ma'am, can
nuit?
I tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. One week.
Next one, goodbye. Who will tell me goodbye? What is goodbye?
Arrivo.
Yes, Ansharya.
Arrivo.
Ansharya. Beta, unmute yourself, Ansh.
Ma'am, au revoir.
Very nice. Au revoir. It's called au revoir. Okay. Then, what is fine? Thank you. What is fine? Thank you. Yes, Ansh. Very nice.
Ma'am, merci tioi.
Huh?
Ma'am, quand ben merci it oi.
Okay. Ça va bien. Merci. It's ça va bien. Okay. What is it? Fine is ça va bien.
Ça va
And
bien.
thank you is merci. Ça va bien. Merci. How are you? to an adult. Now see, how are you to an adult? Pay attention to this thing. Tell me. Yes. Who will answer? Simran, I want you to answer.
Hey, Baba. I'm like this, something like that.
Simran, beta, I want you to answer.
Marcy.
No, beta, fifth one. How are you to an adult? How are we going to ask it?
Ma'am, comment. All is.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Manraj.
Comment all is
Comment Alice
Very
voice.
good. Very good.
And
Manraj,
I was
yes.
not. Yes.
I will make you speak. Wait. Manraj, you were also wanting to speak it. Speak it out.
Ma'am, comment Alice voice.
Okay. Now, what do we say? You are reading it in English. Comment Alice voice. Okay. This is English. But what we're doing, we're learning French. French is a different kind of pronunciation for each word. Now, how do you speak it? You speak it comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Everybody say
Who? Comment Alice who?
comment allez-vous?
Alice who?
Z is silent, S is silent. Okay? Both of them are silent. That is why we say comment allez-vous?
And what we say, fine, thank you.
Now, fine, thank you. Okay, fine, thank you is ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci.
What is the spelling?
CAVABIEN. Ça va bien. Then merci, MERCI.
Okay, ma'am.
Here, then we have after ça va bien, merci. Okay, how are you is also done. How are you to an adult? Comment allez-vous? See you tomorrow. What is see you tomorrow? See you tomorrow is
Ma'am, today
Adama.
who will send work?
Which work? This work, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
I will send you the work in D group.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then, where were we?
Ma'am, what we say, see you tomorrow in French.
See you tomorrow is Adama. A accent grave and DMAIN. Adama. Then what is your name to an adult? Now who will tell me?
Ma'am, what is this? Ma'am, what we say, see you tomorrow?
Adama. Beta, you have your book?
No, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am.
Okay. Turn the page and
No,
see at the
ma'am.
back. You don't have it. Even if you have the PDF, now you have the PDF with you. Just look back in the PDF what it is called. There is a pink table given, 2 pages of given of pink table.
Ma'am,
We have all the expressions in that. Yes, Ansh?
Ma'am, comment vous appelez-vous?
Comment allez-vous is how are you? Okay. You are telling for what is your name? No.
Yes,
It
ma'am.
is comment vous appelez-vous? What do we say? Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous
It's not-
appelez-vous?
Page, ma'am, there is written. Everything is written.
What it's written? What is written
Ma'am,
on
on
that?
that the pink table.
Yes.
I saw on the PDF. There is written what we spell goodbye, hello, welcome.
How we spell or are
Ma'am,
you
sorry,
talking- Are you talking
spellings
about
are-
page number 20 and 21? We have all the translations in English of these French expressions, right? So
Yes,
from
ma'am.
there, we will be able to do this question easily. Then next, good evening. What is good evening? Who will tell?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, bonsoir. Ma'am,
Bonsoir.
bonsoir.
Very nice.
Bonsoir.
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 Okay, Yash, beta, you can tell me the next one. What is your name to a friend? We have just done on the dialogue.
Jamapel. Jamapel.
Ma'am, Jamapal Yashtikiani.
Beta, they are not raising you a question. What is the question demanding us to do? We have to give the French version, the French word for these things. They have given in English. Now we have to translate them in French. What you are doing is you are answering the question. No, you have to translate the question in French. The question is given, what is your name? So how do you ask what is your name in French? Yes, Yash. To
I can tell.
Ma'am, can I tell?
a
Ma'am, can
friend.
I?
You are supposed to ask it to a friend. That means informally.
Jamapel.
Okay, who will tell?
Ma'am,
I want more hands to be raised.
Like this game. Ma'am, can I write in the chat box?
Okay, right. Yes, if you are not able to speak, you can write in the chat box, children. Yash, beta, just try to write it in the chat box.
Ma'am, please repeat the question once again.
The question is, what is your name? How will you ask it to a friend in French? What is your name?
I'm just giving the answer.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can tell.
Yes,
ma'am,
Soham,
can
tell.
I?
Comment vous appelez? Wo.
Again, beta, comment?
Comment vous appelez?
To a friend. Now, friend is informal.
Ma'am,
Comment
can
tu
I?
t'appelles?
Yes, very nice. No, now Pratishta, beta, see, when we ask somebody his name, what you are asking? You are asking a person his well-being, how he is. You're not asking the name. Como sava means how are you? And what you're supposed to ask? The name. Okay, don't get confused. Como sava is how are you? And como tu t'appelles? Como tu t'appelles is what is your
What
name?
is your name? Ma'am,
Yes.
what is your name?
Okay, everybody now please look up in the chat box. I'm making write it down in your copies. What I'm writing in the chat box, write it down in your copies. Okay. How are you? Now how do we ask how are you? Como sava, informal way, and como talebu, formal way. Okay, write it down in your copies. Make a star before it. And how do you ask somebody his name? What is your name? Comment you tapel, informal, como vous appelez-vous, formal. Beta, these 4 things should be on your fingertips. Don't get confused between what's your name and how are you. Okay, students often make this mistake. That is why I have clearly written over here and you have to learn it by heart.
Ma'am, this we have to write those you have written in chat box.
Yes, beta, this you have to write in your copy, make a star. This is very, very important. And you're not only supposed to write it, you're supposed to learn it as well.
Ma'am, I have written.
Very nice. Now, the next exercise given, very good. The next exercise given, retrouve les mots. That is, unjumble these words or find these words. You will do this exercise on your own. It is a very easy exercise. A little brainstorming and you'll be able to do it. This also has to be done in your copies. Clear? Any doubt still here?
Ma'am, the third one?
Yes, beta, the third one. Try to do it right now. Okay, try to do it right now. Only 1 minute is left.
Ma'am, I can tell third one first.
Tell.
Ma'am, salute.
Yes, very nice. The first word is salute. What is
Ma'am,
the
I
second
also
word?
second word.
Ma'am,
Yes,
born
what is
new.
it?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
born new.
bonjour.
What?
bonjour.
Ma'am, born new.
Bonjour. Very nice. This
Bonjour.
is bonjour. What is the
Ma'am, I
third
said
word?
born Louis.
bonjour, not bonjour. It is
What is the
bonjour.
third word?
Au revoir.
Beta, third word.